Good morning, children. Do you remember the story of Scaredy Monster Slumber Party that you read on Thursday? Look at these monsters. They were made of toilet rolls. Can you make a few scaredy monsters using toilet rolls or paper cups or even plastic cups? You can cut out different shapes from colored paper or you can color it yourself to decorate your monsters. See how many shapes you can use. Play-Doh again. I love my Play-Doh. Can you use Play-Doh to make pizza for the scary monster slumber party? Can you share it evenly between all the monsters? Did you cut it in half? Did you cut it in quarters? Remember your beautiful gratitude box that you made the other day. If you haven't made one yet, you can make one today. Remember to add something that you are grateful for each day. You can write a word or draw a picture and put it in the box. And after a month, you will be surprised to see how many things there are to be grateful for. These monsters had a magnificent slumber party. They used cushions to build a giant fort. Can you stack some cushions to build a fort? Invite your scary monsters to join you in your fort. Look at this. Take a big sheet of paper, or you can use your big whiteboard and draw a monster on it with a big mouth and some funny hair. Now, draw several eyes on a piece of paper and cut them out. Put a little bit of blue tack behind each eye. Now, close your eyes or cover it with a mask, turn around, and then see if you can pin the eyes on the monster's forehead. I wonder how many eyes will be in the right place. The monsters are all in bed. Just have a look at that. Can you put your monsters in bed? You can also use your soft toys as pretend monsters, or you can use the monsters you've already made. Now, tell your monsters a bedtime story so that they can have a wonderful, wonderful dream. Don't forget to ask them how they are feeling and what you can do to help if they are scared or sad. Toss the bean bag. Can you toss the small bean bags or a plastic bag filled with rice through the monster's mouth? Move a few paces away and try to toss it through the mouth. Challenge yourself and see how many you can actually get through the mouth. To make this monster, just flatten a cardboard box and fold it in half. Ask your adult to cut out its mouth. Now, paint the monster and you're ready to go. For this activity, we're going to do the lazy 8 again. Do you remember that we've used it, that we've made the lazy 8 before? So today, we are going to use a spray bottle to make the lazy 8. Remember to start in the middle and then move around and around and around. And when you're finished, you can even wipe it with a cloth. Later on, take your spray bottle again and spray all the plants in your house. You can even go outside and spray some of the plants outside. All the leaves love a little bit of spray. And this is your free flow activities for today.